Well, we are now ready to start shaping the part of the button that touches the hand. And just so you can inspect the button, I'll bring it in pretty tight for you. See if I can get a... Doesn't focus very well. There we go. It's kind of satiny. See if I can get a... Yeah, there you go. You see, it's very satiny. It's a large button. I'll come back close up for you. So I got to get rid of this nub on the top, and I got to smooth it, sand it. I have power equipment, but I don't use power equipment on fine jobs like this because it has a tendency to just be too much. So here's 500 grit. Okay? And even though I have equipment to get it off faster, I think I'm okay with going slow. Or I got a better idea. I have one of these blocks here. This will make short work of it. This is a honing stone, but it's an aggressive honing stone. I can come here and you know, it's amazing how quickly an aggressive stone will bring that down. Okay. Take the sand, take the oil off. Okay. Let's just what I want to do right now is it's 240. So I have to turn the piece while I'm sanding it to make sure that it doesn't flat out somewhere. It's quite nice, very quick. So now I'm going to take this and see, I can hold it kind of in a cup shape and just spin it. And hopefully we'll start to approach the finished shape. Yes. This is kind of a finishing twirl. Done on newspaper, so there's a little give in the sanding surface. Very nice. I'm just trying to clean up any little imperfections. The edges are smooth. Touch the hand. Twirling it with my fingertips. This is 500 grit paper. It's the same sandpaper batch that was used for the turning of the button on the lathe. So it's a match the sand pattern on the rest of the button. And of course, for the final, you have to come in and do a twirl like this. It's the only way you'll get the right swirl look. Now, even wiping with cloth will change the look of the metal. Everything you do has an impact on the job being done. So, the use of like this paper to polish it, the final polish does give it a more finished look. So I lose a little bit of the satiny look. it's okay. Okay. Now, it's ready for final step in the process, which is clear coat paint. That I will not video, it's messy. That'll complete the job. Don't like to get paint on the camera either.